So back with another video. So you guys saw that weird intro. Who is that guy? Who's Thomas Swain? Dang. Let's go! Got something cool to show you. What? I told you. Jeez, it's so dark and it's so early. I mean, that's what I hate about daylight savings. A new car. Perfect. Better perfection. That's see. So yeah. That's pretty dope, I feel. And yeah, let's head back inside. Actually, we should just teleport there, right? Okay, so downstairs. This is actually a pretty cool video. That's actually probably one of my most favorite videos. This is gonna be probably one of my most favorites. I'm gonna put it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.